So hi guys, my name is Leah, also known as Leah the Creme. No! Just say hi, you guys.
Hi, guys.
So if you're a busy mom, entrepreneur, this is the product line for you. 1, 2, 3 steps. I'm gonna go with Tight Curls and Coils 5-in-1 clay treatment. Shampoo, conditioner, deep detangler, and leave-in condition. Does that mean I just washed my hair and conditioned it? No. Moisture infusion styling cream. Step 3, Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter. Wow. And typically it takes 45 minutes to an hour sometimes. This is really the time saver. This has everything you need in one. But anyways, have to say, this was amazing, great experience. And yeah, I can get on with my day. If you haven't heard of Naturalicious, all I'm gonna say is, you're welcome.